When it comes to buying a used car under $8,000 in 2026, the key isn't just finding something cheap, it's finding something that still runs strong, saves fuel, and won't destroy your wallet in repairs. So today, we'll reveal 8 used cars under $8,000 that will still be great in 2026, analyzing their fuel economy, reliability, maintenance costs, and the issues you need to watch for before you buy. Let's get right into it. 1. Toyota Corolla, 2014 to 2017. The Toyota Corolla continues to dominate the affordable used car market, and it's easy to see why. For under $8,000, you're getting a vehicle that blends reliability, efficiency, and simplicity like few others. Powered by a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine delivering around 132 horsepower, the Corolla isn't built to thrill, it's built to last. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or CVT automatic, this car consistently returns 32 to 35 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its price range. Owners praise it for smooth daily performance and minimal repair needs, which keeps maintenance costs around $350 per year. The parts network in the US is massive, so even major fixes rarely break the bank. Where the Corolla truly shines is dependability. According to multiple reliability surveys, these model years have proven exceptionally durable, with many crossing 200,000 miles without major mechanical issues. However, no used car is flawless. Air conditioning compressor failures are somewhat common after 100,000 miles, and early CVT models can show hesitation or jerky acceleration if the transmission fluid wasn't serviced regularly. Checking maintenance records before buying is key. Market prices vary slightly by region but generally fall between $6,500 and $8,000 depending on mileage and condition. When it comes to ownership taxes, most states charge about 5 to 7%, which keeps registration affordable. In short, the Corolla is that rare kind of car that proves practical doesn't have to mean boring. It's cheap to run, cheap to fix, and will easily outlast most vehicles in the same bracket. For 2026, it remains one of the most bulletproof, low-stress daily drivers money can buy. 2. Honda Civic, 2013 to 2016. The Honda Civic is another standout in the under $8,000 used car market, combining proven reliability with strong fuel efficiency and surprisingly engaging handling for a compact sedan. Most models in this range are equipped with a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine producing around 140 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual or continuously variable transmission, CVT, depending on the trim. Fuel economy is impressive, averaging 33 miles per gallon combined, making it an excellent choice for commuters or anyone wanting to save on gas without sacrificing performance. The Civic's reputation for long-lasting engines and transmissions keeps annual maintenance costs near $400, with repairs remaining relatively affordable thanks to a vast availability of parts across the US. Owners consistently praise the Civic for its balance between comfort, practicality, and durability. It offers a roomy interior for a compact car, straightforward controls, and a trunk that's surprisingly generous for city and suburban use. Still, there are a few things buyers should watch for. Suspension bushings may wear out faster on higher mileage vehicles, leading to a slightly rougher ride, and some infotainment glitches have been reported on models equipped with touchscreen systems. Mileage and service history are critical. Well-maintained Civics can easily surpass 200,000 miles without major issues. In terms of cost, you'll generally find Civics priced between $6,500 and $8,000 for models in good condition, with taxes varying by state around 5 to 7%. Insurance remains reasonable for compact sedans, especially for drivers with clean records. Overall, the 2013 to 2016 Honda Civic is a well-rounded, dependable vehicle that holds its value and performs efficiently, making it a smart, low-risk choice for anyone buying used in 2026. 3. Mazda 3, 2014 to 2017. The Mazda 3 stands out as one of the most enjoyable and reliable compact cars under $8,000, offering a rare combination of sporty driving dynamics and fuel efficiency. Most models come with a 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing between 155 and 184 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, depending on the trim. Its Sky-Active technology enhances fuel efficiency, with an average of 31 miles per gallon combined, while still providing responsive acceleration and handling that rivals more expensive compact cars. The Mazda 3 also features an interior that feels more premium than most in this price range, with intuitive controls and supportive seats that make daily driving comfortable. From a maintenance standpoint, the Mazda 3 is relatively inexpensive, averaging around $420 per year, though some parts can cost slightly more than Toyota or Honda equivalents. Common issues to watch for include rust on models from northern states, occasional infotainment freezes, and premature brake wear on higher mileage cars. Despite these minor concerns, the Mazda 3's engines are generally robust, with proper maintenance allowing mileage well over 180,000 to 200,000 miles. Its styling and handling also help it stand out in a crowded compact car segment, making it a choice that's both practical and fun to drive. Prices for clean, well-maintained models usually range from $6,000 to $7,800, with sales taxes around 5 to 7% depending on your state. Insurance costs remain competitive for compact sedans, and fuel costs are lower than many rivals in the under $8K bracket. For 2026, the Mazda 3 remains a solid balance of reliability, efficiency, and driving enjoyment, making it a smart pick for anyone who wants a compact car that still feels exciting while being easy on the budget. If you're finding this list useful so far, take a second to subscribe. That's how we can keep bringing you more in-depth buying guides like this every week. Let's jump back to the list. For Toyota Camry, 2012 to 2014. The Toyota Camry remains a benchmark for midsize sedans, known for its reliability, comfort, and long-term value, making it a strong contender under $8,000 in 2026. Most models are equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 178 horsepower, though some higher trims feature a 3.5-liter V6 for added power. Paired with a 6-speed automatic, the Camry delivers smooth, predictable performance and fuel economy averaging 25 to 28 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for a mid-size sedan. Inside, it offers a spacious, comfortable cabin with straightforward controls and a trunk that easily accommodates family or commuter needs. Maintenance is low for a mid-size vehicle, averaging around $380 per year, thanks to the Camry's legendary reliability and the widespread availability of parts. Buyers should watch for oil consumption issues on early 2.4L engines and transmission solenoid wear after higher mileage, particularly beyond 120,000 miles. Suspension components and wheel bearings may also require attention, but overall, the Camry is considered nearly bulletproof with routine service. Many units reach 200,000 miles or more without major repairs, which is a key reason it retains strong resale value. In the used market, clean models are priced between $7,000 and $8,000, depending on mileage, condition, and trim level. State sales taxes typically fall between 5 to 7%, while insurance for mid-size sedans remains moderate. Overall, the 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry delivers peace of mind, comfort, and longevity, making it a reliable and practical choice for anyone buying used in 2026, whether for daily commuting or family driving. 5. Honda Fit, 2013 to 2016. The Honda Fit is a standout in the under $8,000 segment, especially for those seeking a small, practical, and fuel-efficient vehicle that still holds its value in 2026. Powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing about 117 horsepower, the Fit is paired with either a 5-speed manual or CVT automatic, delivering a lively yet efficient driving experience. Fuel economy is excellent, averaging 33 to 36 miles per gallon combined, making it ideal for city driving, commuting, or anyone looking to save on gas without sacrificing reliability. Despite its compact size, the Fit's Magic Seat system provides remarkable cargo flexibility, allowing the rear seats to fold in multiple configurations, which is a rare feature in this class. Maintenance costs remain low, averaging $330 per year, and parts are inexpensive and widely available. Common issues to monitor include starter motor failures and paint peeling, particularly on models exposed to harsh sun or winter conditions. The Fit is generally very durable, with many well-maintained examples surpassing 200,000 miles. Its compact size also makes it easy to maneuver and park, which is a huge advantage in urban settings, while the interior remains surprisingly roomy for passengers and cargo. Market prices for 2013 to 2016 models typically range from $6,500 to $7,800, depending on mileage, condition, and trim. State taxes usually hover around 5 to 7%, and insurance rates are low due to its compact size and strong safety ratings. Overall, the Honda Fit offers a perfect blend of efficiency, versatility, and long-term reliability, making it a smart, low-cost choice for anyone looking for a used car that will remain practical and valuable in 2026. 6. Ford Fusion, 2014 to 2016. the Ford Fusion is a solid choice for buyers seeking a mid-size sedan that balances comfort, space, and affordability under $8,000 in 2026. Most models come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 175 horsepower, while some trims feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine for more spirited performance. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Fusion delivers smooth acceleration and a composed ride. Fuel economy averages 26 miles per gallon combined, which is competitive for its size and class, making it suitable for both city commuting and longer road trips. The cabin offers generous space for passengers and cargo, along with a user-friendly infotainment system in higher trims. Maintenance costs for the Fusion are moderate, averaging around $400 per year, and replacement parts are relatively easy to source, given the car's popularity in the US. However, potential buyers should be aware of some common issues. Door latch failures and transmission shuddering have been reported on certain early automatic models, while suspension components may need attention as mileage rises above 120,000 miles. Despite these concerns, a well-maintained Fusion can reliably reach 200,000 miles or more, offering excellent longevity for a mid-size sedan in this price range. Used market prices for 2014 to 2016 Fusions generally fall between $6,800 and $7,900, depending on mileage, condition, and trim options. Sales taxes typically range from 5 to 7% of the sale price, and insurance remains reasonable for a mid-size sedan. Overall, the Ford Fusion offers a spacious, comfortable, and reliable package that makes it a smart and practical choice for anyone looking for a used car that still performs well and holds value in 2026. 7. Nissan Sentra, 2014 to 2017. The Nissan Sentra is a compact sedan that delivers solid reliability, affordability, and fuel efficiency, making it an attractive choice under $8,000 for 2026. Most models are equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine producing 130 horsepower, paired with either a 5-speed manual or CVT automatic. Fuel economy is impressive for the class, averaging 30 to 33 miles per gallon combined, which helps keep running costs low. Inside, the Sentra provides a spacious cabin with comfortable seating and a straightforward, intuitive dashboard, making it practical for daily commuting and small families alike. Maintenance costs are modest, averaging around $350 per year, and replacement parts are widely available in the US, keeping long-term ownership affordable. Common issues to watch for include CVT transmission concerns on early models, which may show hesitation or shuddering if not properly maintained, as well as occasional premature brake wear and minor electrical quirks. Despite these potential issues, the Sentra is generally very durable, with many examples reaching 200,000 miles when properly cared for. Its combination of efficiency, low-cost upkeep, and roomy interior makes it a smart, practical choice in the used car market. In terms of pricing, clean 2014 to 2017 Sentras typically sell for $6,200 to $7,800, depending on mileage, condition, and trim. State sales taxes usually range around 5 to 7%, and insurance remains affordable for compact sedans. Overall, the Nissan Sentra is a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective vehicle that offers long-term value, making it a top pick for anyone seeking a used car that will continue to perform well and remain economical in 2026. 8. Hyundai Elantra, 2014 to 2017. The Hyundai Elantra is a standout compact sedan that combines affordability, reliability, and modern features, making it a smart choice under $8,000 in 2026. Most models come with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine producing 145 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, delivering smooth, efficient performance. Fuel economy averages 28 to 32 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for commuting and city driving. The Elantra's interior is spacious and thoughtfully designed, offering comfortable seating, straightforward controls, and surprisingly upscale materials for its class. Maintenance costs are relatively low, averaging around $370 per year, and replacement parts are easy to find throughout the US. Buyers should be mindful of some common issues: premature brake wear, occasional power window or door lock failures, and minor engine oil leaks have been reported in certain units. However, the Elantra's engines and transmissions are generally durable, with many examples reaching 180,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Its combination of modern styling, efficiency, and low ownership costs makes it a compelling option in the sub-$8,000 market. Used Elantras from 2014 to 2017 typically sell for $6,000 to $7,800, depending on mileage, trim, and condition, with state sales taxes around 5 to 7%. Insurance costs are competitive for compact sedans, and overall, the Hyundai Elantra offers a reliable, efficient, and comfortable package that will continue to deliver strong value and dependable transportation for buyers in 2026. So there you have it, 8 used cars under $8,000 that will still be totally worth it in 2026. Whether you want a reliable commuter, an efficient hybrid, or a spacious family car, these models deliver proven value without breaking your budget. And before you go, don't forget, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next guide on how to buy smart, save more, and drive better in 2026.